do you want a really smooth paint job? Then have a little listen to this and check out my other sanding tips as well. Now, I always recommend using a sanding sponge for sanding in between coats of paint because it does the best job. But apart from that, I want you to start to feel for imperfections. So give it a sand. When it looks like you've done enough, I want you to actually feel it with your fingers. Feel if there are any lumps, if you can still feel any ridges of brush strokes, etc. Have a look at this bit here. It's quite rough. Give it a sand and then feel it. This leg I've already done. You can see in the video how much smoother this is. So I lightly sanded this until it felt smooth. Not until it looked smooth, until it felt smooth. And I know now that when I put another coat of paint on this piece, it is going to go on really smoothly and really nicely. Every time you put a layer of paint on, you are adding to the potential bumps and lumps and the texture of it. So you want to smooth out each layer before applying another coat of paint. So if this was helpful and you want to learn more like this, save it for later and follow along for some more helpful tips.